Jai Gurudev. Annadata Sukhi Bhava. I am Athar from grade 5. Today I am going to talk about coconut oil and ghee. This is coconut oil. Coconut oil is mainly found in Kerala state in India. It contains saturated fat. It is an edible oil. It does not contain cholesterol. Production of coconut oil. Coconut oil is extracted through dry or wet processing. Composition of coconut oil. Coconut oil is a semi-liquid or solid that melts at 23 degrees and it does not contain cholesterol. Coconut oil is obtained from dry coconut meat known as copra. Benefits of coconut oil. Oil is used for cooking and hair growth. Usage of coconut oil. It relieves constipation and it relieves skin irritation and eczema. The boiling point of coconut oil at room temperature is 117 degrees and for refined coconut oil it is 23 degrees. Molecular structure of coconut oil. This stands for carbon, this stands for hydrogen and this stands for oxygen. Coconut oil composed of fatty acids, caprylic acids, lauric acids, myrific acids, palmitic acids, stearic acids, oleic acids, leonic acids. Drawbacks of coconut oil. Ingesting large amounts of coconut oil can cause hamper and cholesterol. Large amounts of saturated fat can lead to high cholesterol, heart disease and stroke. Ghee. Ghee word has originated from the Sanskrit word ghita, which means clarified butter. Ghee contains saturated fat. It is edible. Cow ghee is a carrier of fat-soluble vitamin A, D, E and K. According to the Ayurveda, ghee contains plenty of omega-3 fatty acids. Usage of ghee. It is a wonderful conditioner for the hair and it's used in medicines for making in Ayurveda. Benefits of ghee. Migraine, constipation, excessive coughing in children. Animal fat. Oils or fats that are obtained or derived from animals are called animal fat. Oils are liquid and fats are solid. Animal fats are saturated fat. Example ghee. Vegetable oils. Vegetable oils or vegetable fats are obtained from other part of fruit or seed. Example soybean oil, grapeseed oil, coconut oil. Why ghee is important in health benefits? Ghee is important because ghee cures many diseases. Ghee has been used for many years for the treatment of cough. Ghee cures eye diseases. According to the Ayurveda, ghee can cure many eye-related diseases. Myths about ghee. Many of us think that ghee can hamper over our health, but fat is something which is needed by our body to function properly. What is vegan diet? When we come on diet plan, there is vegan diet. Coconut oil is replaced by ghee in vegan diet because ghee we get from animals and coconut oil we get from coconut fruit and coconut tree. It contains healthy fatty acids and it contains saturated fat. Thank you and Jai Gurudev.